Welcome back to Bike Vibe, the channel where we bring you the wildest rides, the most luxurious machines, and the latest automotive dreams on wheels. Today, we're diving into something truly out of this world, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, the ultimate expression of rolling luxury that turns every road trip into a 5-star experience. Forget what you think you know about caravans or RVs, because this one redefines the entire concept. Rolls-Royce has always been the gold standard in luxury motoring, but for 2026, they've taken opulence to an entirely new level. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more like a private jet on wheels, designed for those who refuse to compromise comfort even on the open road. Built on an all-new extended chassis derived from the Phantom platform, this motorhome is an astonishing blend of craftsmanship, performance, and advanced technology. Let's start with the exterior, which looks nothing like a typical motorhome. The signature Pantheon grille proudly sits up front, flanked by laser-cut crystal LED headlights that give it an unmistakable Rolls-Royce presence. The two-tone paint scheme, customizable in over 40 combinations, exudes pure sophistication. The Spirit of Ecstasy rises gracefully on the bonnet, retracting automatically when parked or locked. With sleek lines, hidden storage compartments, and an aerodynamic silhouette, it's not just beautiful, it's functional. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome stretches over 30 feet long but moves with the grace of a luxury sedan thanks to its adaptive air suspension. Rolls-Royce engineers have equipped it with a hybrid twin-turbo V12 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 850 horsepower and an astonishing 1,200 Nm of torque. That means this massive luxury home on wheels can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 5.9 seconds, while maintaining near-silent operation when running in electric mode. It even offers a range of 120 km on electric power alone, perfect for quiet, emission-free travel through national parks or city centers. Step inside, and you're entering another dimension of comfort. The cabin is an oasis of handcrafted materials, fine-grain leather from the brand's exclusive suppliers, polished walnut veneer panels, cashmere upholstery, and ambient lighting inspired by starlight ceilings. Every inch is hand-finished to perfection, with Rolls-Royce artisans spending over 4,000 hours building each interior. The front cockpit, though fully digital, maintains classic Rolls elegance. A floating glass dashboard with holographic displays provides navigation, entertainment, and vehicle status in stunning clarity. The steering wheel, trimmed in bespoke leather, adjusts automatically to your seating position, while the driving seat massages, heats, cools, and even monitors your posture. The main living area is where Rolls-Royce has pulled out all the stops. There's a full-size sofa that transforms into a bed at the touch of a button, a dining table made from real oak with hidden charging ports, and even a retractable 65-inch OLED TV that rises silently from the console. The motorhome features an advanced AI assistant named Eleanor, named after the Spirit of Ecstasy herself, who controls lighting, temperature, and entertainment through natural voice commands. Just say, "Eleanor, set the mood for dinner," and the lights dim while soft jazz begins to play. The kitchen area feels like something from a Michelin-starred restaurant. With marble countertops, an induction hob, a built-in espresso machine, and a smart fridge that tracks your ingredients, you'll never run out of gourmet possibilities. There's even an automated wine cellar with temperature control and a selection menu displayed on the infotainment screen. The bathroom, meanwhile, rivals that of luxury hotels. Full-sized rain shower, heated floors, a floating vanity with crystal accents, and touchless controls for water and lighting. Rolls-Royce engineers made sure even the plumbing system operates silently. The bedroom in the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is perhaps the most peaceful space on wheels ever created. A king-sized bed with adjustable firmness, memory foam technology, and integrated sound isolation ensures you sleep like royalty no matter where you park. Panoramic electrochromic glass panels on the roof allow you to gaze at the stars or darken the room instantly for total privacy. Technology doesn't stop there. The vehicle's chassis features predictive road scanning, reading the surface ahead up to 100 meters and adjusting suspension in real time to eliminate bumps and vibrations. The air conditioning system uses nanotechnology filtration to purify incoming air, keeping the cabin fresh even in dusty desert environments. Connectivity is handled by a satellite-based 6G system, ensuring you're always online, even in the remotest locations. Rolls-Royce also added an autonomous driving mode called Serenity Cruise, allowing the vehicle to self-navigate highways safely while maintaining that signature, magic carpet ride. The entertainment system is powered by a 28-speaker bespoke audio 3D surround setup, tuned to perfection for cinematic sound. Whether you're watching movies, listening to classical music, or streaming your favorite podcasts, every sound feels alive. Even the rear garage space, yes, this motorhome has one, can fit a compact luxury scooter or even a custom Rolls-Royce electric bike for short excursions. The exterior also includes a deployable terrace system. Press a button and a platform extends with teak flooring, folding chairs, and an umbrella setup. Ideal for a lakeside sunset or a mountain view breakfast. Rolls-Royce has thought of everything. Safety, of course, is top-notch, featuring adaptive cruise, 360-degree cameras, biometric entry, and even an onboard drone surveillance system for perimeter monitoring when you're parked overnight. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts at an eye-watering £2.5 million, but with customizations and bespoke options, that number can easily climb past £3 million. However, for the ultra-wealthy who desire ultimate freedom without sacrificing comfort, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. Each unit is built to order, meaning no two are ever exactly the same. Rolls-Royce expects to produce only 50 units worldwide, making it one of the rarest and most exclusive motorhomes ever built. With this creation, Rolls-Royce has blurred the line between travel and luxury living, giving us a glimpse of the future of ultra-premium mobility. Whether you're traversing the Swiss Alps, cruising through the Scottish Highlands, or exploring the Riviera, this motorhome ensures that the journey is as exquisite as the destination. So, what do you think? Would you take the wheel of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome if money were no object? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love seeing the world's most extraordinary machines, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more incredible automotive stories, right here on Bike Vibe, where power meets perfection on every road.